Hey everyone, this is Tip from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to switch your game to your different monitors on your Windows PC. So we can go down to the search button right here, and I'm just going to open up my on-screen keyboard just to show you how to do this. So with the on-screen keyboard, you're going to be touching your real keyboard in real life here, but you want to hit the Shift button plus Windows button, and then your arrow keys for your direction. So you can put it up, down, left, or right. So I want to switch my game to the right. So I'm going to hit the right button. So Shift, Windows button, right arrow key. And this should move the game. So you got to be over the game to do this. So I'm going to move to my game now. And I'm going to select the screen, Shift, Windows, and arrow key. And then it moved away. So you can see it's gone now. So I have to hit this button, and then I can go to my other screen here. And boom, I'm playing on this screen. So very easy to just move it. Otherwise, you can go into the computer settings, and maybe they have like a monitor or screen where you can just move it over to a specific window or screen. This game does not, just has windowed or full screen. You can put it into windowed and then move it to your next screen and then put it into full screen. Sometimes that works too. And I'm max. I don't know why Russ is all the way up here, but I'm just gonna put at this and start playing. Maybe that'll help my performance. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more check out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.